my way for my self-care date before I do my birthday din sa amin. Try to get the birthday mga freebies kung naa. Says maturity is in the house and follows restlessness. The clarity of no longer draining yourself, the growth and steady nourishes. Nice. I like it. Hopefully better light. I'm currently reading here. This is hindi ako na-read. The book says, the loneliness of your 20s is the blank space in your life's canvas. A privilege to be alone amidst noise, like silent seeds sown on your shoulders. Whether they bloom depends on how you choose to water this garden. So nice. There's also another one. When loneliness surges, there's no need to resist or escape. Be like a reef standing still in the tide, letting the emotional waves crash over you. Sometimes sinking into the depths of solitude is the only way to touch the hidden rivers of life. I'm still waiting for my family. They have work. I don't have work today. So, mag-read na lang ko here. Waiting for them. That's it, bye. Waiting for my family. Ano sila sa mga? Thank you, family. Look at the cake. It's so pretty. Hi, Dan. Say hi. Hi, Ma. Hi, March. Hi, March. Hi, Mitch. My birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Amen. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mamaster sa nakong bakhan. Birthday, Marie.